Unraveling the meaning of sum up. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the English phrase, sum up. By the end of this video, you'll fully understand what it means and how to use it in various contexts. Let's get started. The phrase, sum up, consists of two words, sum and up. Now, when you think of the word sum, you might be reminded of mathematics, where it means the total of added numbers. Similarly, in English, sum up is about bringing things together to form a whole. In its most basic sense, sum up means to give a brief description or statement that gives the main points or ideas of something. Example, after reading a long report, you might say, "Can you sum up the main points for me?" Using sum up is quite versatile. Let's look at some common scenarios. 1. Meetings and presentations. At the end of a long discussion, someone might ask, "Can someone sum up the decisions we made today?" 2. Book reviews. After discussing the plot, characters, and themes, a reviewer might say, "To sum up, the book is a thrilling journey of self-discovery." 3. Daily conversations. If a friend tells a long story, you might tell another friend, "Let me sum up what he said." It's all about giving a brief, concise overview of something larger or more detailed. Sum up isn't the only phrase we use for this purpose. Here are a few related expressions. Wrap up, often used at the end of events or activities. Let's wrap up the meeting. In a nutshell, means to describe something briefly. In a nutshell, the movie was amazing. In summary, used to begin a concise recap. In summary, we've decided to proceed with the project. These expressions can sometimes be used interchangeably with sum up, but always be mindful of the context. And that, dear learners, was our exploration of the phrase, sum up. Now you can confidently use it in various situations and understand it when others do. Always remember, English is a vast language with layers of meanings. Keep exploring, and every new phrase you learn adds up to your language prowess. Happy learning!